A leather-bound book opens, revealing a portrait of John Stuart Mill, his gaze thoughtful and intense. John Stuart Mill, champion of liberty, appears, superimposed over his image. Animated infographics dance across the page, visually explaining the harm principle. The screen splits, showcasing examples of self-regarding actions on one side and other regarding actions on the other. The lecture hall transforms into a canvas where Bentham and Mill's utilitarianism clash in a vibrant display. Visual examples illuminate the divide between simple indulgences and intellectual pursuits. The scene evolves, spotlighting Mill's impassioned advocacy for women's rights and the enlightenment of universal education. A virtual model shimmers with digital light, displaying representative government, merit, and education. Animated infographics dance across the screen, illustrating plural voting and civic education. Contemporary footage flickers, showing participatory governance and rights discourse. The virtual model dims, emphasizing Mill's lasting impact on liberal democracy. Amid the vibrant campus, students huddle in groups, their voices weaving through the air as they dissect Mill's profound ideas. The scene underscores Mill's lasting impact on participatory governance and utilitarian moral reasoning.